how to use Afterpay on Uber Eats. So for that, when you are in Afterpay, just search for Uber Eats in the search menu. So then you will see a gift card option. Just tap on the gift card and then you will see a gift card icon in the left. Just click on it. After that, you will be redirected to a page where you can buy Uber Eats gift card. So buy your gift card from here. Then order anything that you want and then go to your cart. After that, you have to scroll a little bit in the down and you will see a edit button in the payment section. Just click on it. Then click on add payment method. After that, select Uber Cash and give your gift card code in here. So that was pretty much it. So that was how you can use Afterpay in Uber Eats. Thanks for watching.